No. Yes. I literally got I got the exit open. Bro, I practically won. Alright, let's go then.
I just recorded like 10 seconds of you walking. Oh, no, I'll send you after this. No, I hate.
But you're beast. It wouldn't matter. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
No, I'll do it after. I'll do it after.
You're scared. You're scared.
No, I want to ruin your streak. That's what I want.
I just woke up. My
You
god.
kill. You kill. You kill. Get killed, you do. You're so easy. Just kidding. Let's go. My 2 sweater's amazing, dude. Let's get it, boy.
Who said I'm gonna save? I'm joking.
Oh, look, Kyle. Look.
Who is this guy?
LG, dude.
Bruh.
I've never heard of him.
For computers, dude? No. Okay, so 2 of y'all are probably together.
Yeah, I mean, you put him at maze. There's nothing I can do. I can go to white roof or something. But I gotta wear a special avatar for when I hit 1,000, bruh.
That's not real. He's dead. He's
Bruh, I didn't even try, bruh.
First kill of the day. Let's get it.
Really?
Other roof camping.
Yes.
Oh, come on.
Bro, who is the FTF pro? Yeah, dude, bruh. Who are you, bruh?
Good.
What's good? What was
Exactly, I
that?
heard you. I literally heard you up there. I heard you.
That's cool. Did you get me?
I knew you were there. Yeah, I did, but like I know you were there, you know.
Sup, Rain?
Oh no, mine was double. No, come on.
Yeah, that's why I was hacking. I see you at garage.
Hear you? Get upstairs.
It's not me.
I'll predict this too.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, whatever, bro.
Aw, you're on a little bit of a losing streak or something, bruh?
Nah, I'm good.
A few moments later.
Easy! Get it, boy.
Alright, bruh.
What's up there, 203? I'm just saying. Hey?
And look who got hit. The so-called FTF pro. Wow.
What's good?
Hi. Bye.
Good? Oh, okay.
It's good again, bruh. He saved. Guess what? I'm so good at distracting, bruh.
Bruh, they're still right here.
Oh, that's bad news, bruh.
Dude, they're just at roof. No.
Level 999, bruh. Rain, just let it happen. You're not gonna beat me today, bruh. At least not right now.
Easy! Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like you're the only one that has full health, brother. Oh, I hear you.
Oh, no, you don't.
No, I hear someone.
It's not me.
Yippee!
Why?
Yes, sir!
Oh my gosh, Hall of Fame sellouts, bruh. What do I do, bruh? Do I go to make the save or?
See what you do. Did I just see you?
No, you didn't. Not even close. Now you did.
You're right here. You're right here. What's good? Okay.
What are you gonna do? Did you? I bet you wasted runner, huh?
What do you think?
I think you did, cause you rushed, and you couldn't jump.
Too bad.
Wait, did you say that's true though?
I think it could be.
All right, you're playing that game. You don't want to tell me anything.
1v1, brother.
I don't like
Okay,
1v1
it's
today.
probably halfway.
I'm gonna get hit.
It's probably. You're right here.
Am I though?
You are right here.
Really? Where are you? I actually saw you, bro. That's no fair.
Good.
That's good, bro.
Good. What you gonna do?
My man just fell off, bro. Oh, I sold.
Where are you?
I'm gone.
Okay.
Ah, bro. I am selling.
Good.
How? How? Where did you come from, bro?
So, my sister dog, please.
Don't care.
Alright, I can remember that.
Okay.
That's good.
It's good, Rain. One rains, bruh. Alright, now I'm gonna jump off her. I have home run. Did you really use runner, my guy?
You think I did? What do you think?
Probably, because you rushed. You keep rushing, but I don't know if it's runner or not. No. Yes, sir. Clutch. Bro, I got stuck 2 times. This is a fair game right now, bruh. That's...
My footsteps are too OP, you know that, right?
I don't care. This is such a fair game at this point, bruh. To be fair, those brokens didn't even matter, bruh, because you shouldn't have hit me from that far, bruh. It's the plan. They're literally under me. What am I so afraid of? Shoot. Okay. Bro, I'm lagging. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yo! I lag spiked. You know that, right? Did you see that? That's good. You have no runner. Oh my gosh, why am I still crawling? Bye. Oh, come on, bruh.
Okay.
I literally didn't even mean to finish the PC, but okay. This game wants to screw me like that? No! Juke! The jukes, bruh. Yes, sir!
Oh my god, I hate this.
Oh my jukes, bruh. Your ping is probably at 1,000 because
My ping is literally 110.
That's good.
Oh. Okay, let's go.
What's up? I didn't mean to finish it! No! I didn't mean to finish it.
So,
Brother! You dropped. I'm risking. Yes! YESSIR! Why am I goated right now, bruh? Please, 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 please.
Bruh.
Alright, I can't open the exits, GG. I literally got the exit open. Bro, I practically won. I beat you, bruh.
No, I got 3 broken. No.
Nah, I beat you. I actually escaped. I opened the exit. Bro, I promise you, I escaped, bro.
No. I know what I'm saying though. I got 3 broken.
So, nah, you lost. You lost. You lost fair and square, bro.
I didn't know. Well, there's only 3 fair broken.
Nah, you shouldn't be blaming it on me. You should be blaming it on the ping, bro. Like, don't hate the player, hate the game, bro. Go retire, bro. Go retire. You're like LeBron at 36. You can't do it anymore.
Oh my God.
You're like CP3 last night in the NBA Finals, losing to Giannis, bro. You're just old. You're not good enough for the new talent, bro. Alright.
Counting that as a hit, no, fam.
Alright. Where are we, bruh? Okay. Look at my XP, bruh. Just take a look at my XP, bruh.
Bro, that's the same. That's pretty much the same display name as Deadly Bones, but it's
What's
like
your wait, Kyle, do you have 2,700 XP?
No, 2,800, but nice guess, bruh.
Okay, never
2,700.
Bruh. Anyways, in this server, we're gonna be playing with Rain, bruh. We're gonna be playing with Andy, Jar, and apparently Darell is the beast. Wait, Darell's the beast. Oh, okay. Me and Andy are at server.
I bet you that was Jar, dude.
Alright, I'm at control. Someone messed up.
That was Jar. Then,
Bro, I feel like this is just too OP. We all on car and just Darell, bro. He's just by himself. Pretty
Darell? It's Darell.
Okay, he's runner. He wasted runner. Darell wasted runner. Okay.
bro, Jar left. Wait, what? He wasted his runner?
Bro, no, bro. Yeah, he did. I think he.
Okay, wait.
Bro, Jar has to go.
No!
Oh, he had
Bruh.
control.
Yeah, he's at control.
He said he could. I was hacking at control, so.
Oh.
Control, middle. What else? Okay, I'll finish server.
Yo, chill.
Oh, he knows I'm there.
Alright, Andy, thanks for
that
taking.
ramp. Oh my goodness.
Woo!
What
Let's
happened?
go.
Bro,
Bruh.
this ball is actually good, bro.
Bruh, speaking of fast
No, I
crawl,
did a
bruh.
fast call on him. He didn't even go for me. I don't think he would flick that.
Bruh, did you see that, bruh?
Alright, I'm not playing.
Oh, bruh, I sold that
I'm
one,
gonna
bruh.
tap it.
We have inside exit. Okay, yeah, I'm hit.
Bro.
Oh, wait, what? Dude, he hit me
Where?
through a block.
Here.
Inside exit.
Oh my gosh, I'm literally at outside exit.
Bro, yeah, save. I'm literally at plane, dude. Okay, yeah, bro.
I'm going.
It might take a while to come, but.
Yeah, it's gonna take me like really low health, and then I'm just gonna die.
He's chasing me, save him. He's chasing me.
Kyle got me.
Save him.
I'm not
Sir.
hacking there, bro.
Yes, sir, I'm out. What a distraction by me. Yes,
Oh.
sir.
It's office. Jar made it towards office PC, I think. Is he there?
He's downstairs.
He's down. Okay, yeah, he's coming now.
Bro. What's the plan, bruh? Alright, that's the plan. I don't think he thinks we're here. Oh, nah.
Oh, bro, he's coming from under. Bro.
I know.
Wait. Oh, never mind. Wait, where is he going?
What's he
Wait,
trying
where
to
is
do?
he? Where is he right now?
Oh, he's coming up. Kyle, he's coming up. Okay, never mind. Yeah, he is coming up.
My plane is tapped.
Okay, good.
Okay, he's coming to office. Oh, no. Who closed that door? Okay, never mind. They didn't.
Bruh.
Let's go.
he can go there that quick, bro.
Why are
Okay,
you
wait.
not closing this
Kyle,
door?
he's near. Kyle, he's near. Okay, then I'll just close this and then
Alright, I'm gonna tap middle. Middle is halfway.
middle's halfway.
More than halfway.
More than halfway. Sheesh. Alright.
I'm about to tap middle real quick. Oh, he's here. Coming back.
Oh, he's at control.
Oh, he's at control.
Please.
Hey, he's coming to the window. He's coming to the window.
Hold on.
Come on.
He opened
office.
he opened the door.
Yeah, he's coming
Alright.
from that way. He's coming from that way.
Yeah, he did use it.
Alright, middle is tapped, by the way.
Big brain, bruh.
Wait, plane is tapped. Wait, which one is tapped?
Plane in mid.
Plane and mid. Okay, we just need office or control or inside exit. I'm distracting him.
Come on, come to office.
How? Dude, no, I'm literally not even close to the vent, dude.
You're selling, bruh. Andy, you're the last person I actually. Nah, never mind. You're the first person I expected to sell, bruh, out of us three.
Oh, I think he used runner. Okay, I got Andy, I think.
Oh my
If
gosh.
he comes back.
Make up your mind, Rain. Bro,
He's
I
coming back.
Nice.
No, he's coming back.
He has to come back. That's good. Wow.
Go,
Okay.
go, quick.
I can't.
Punch
bro.
him!
Ooh,
Why would you close the door? Why would you close the door?
what do you mean, why would I close the door? I literally just clutch saved you. Why are you not?
Coming to the window.
No, you closed the door on me.
Okay, I don't care. I saved you. Oh gosh.
Too good. Too good.
He fell
You're
down.
trying to predict me.
I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna finish. Wait, Kyle, come here. XP, come here.
I'm
What?
gonna die, dude.
Where?
Come off this. Okay.
Finish it.
Come, quick. I got it. Oh my god.
I made him hear where are the footsteps.
Come. So, Andy, hack plane.
He doesn't know how to hack plane, bruh.
That office.
That's too risky. Okay, no, I'm gonna go to.
He's right here.
I'm gonna go to plane now. I'm hacking plane, brother. Okay, I'm gonna finish plane. I'm over there.
Alright, Kyle, finish mid. I'll finish mid. Oh, he's coming to mid. Let's get it. I'm gonna go get the door.
Let's get it, brother.
He's inside. He wasted runner.
I'm opening outside right now.
Oh god. Okay, then that means I have to.
Okay, yeah, we won.
I'm getting chased, dude. Sorry, bro. Whoever's at control, I'm sorry, bro.
Yes, sir.
Please open the door, please. Open the door. Go outside. Come on.
Go. Open the door. It's open.
Go. Let's go.
We're chased.
Let's go.
Bro, why would you leave me?
Let's go, Kyle. Outside's open.
I know. I'm rushing to outside. I'm not risking inside, bruh.
Oh my, you just outsmarted Darell.
It's Darell. Oh my gosh, bruh.
It's like how he says Denzel.
Outsmarted Darell.
Bro, Rain says like Darell, like Darell, but he says it like Denzel, like Denzel.
Right now, bro, he's quoting Darell. Sorry, bro. No offense. I'm only watching the video.
Yes, sir.
I think I'm gonna be back.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Good luck, guys. I'm smiling right now, bruh. I'm smiling on the inside and on the outside, bruh. Good luck, bruh. Hopefully this is the round. Okay.
Hopefully, bro.
I like this. Okay, 5
Bro.
PCs. Found one. Okay.
Oh, what the hell? What is that? Okay, Kyle, chill, bro. I heard
Who was that?
chill, please. Me, totally.
Is you hiding, bruh?
Oh, not. Well, maybe.
I just lost you.
Why? No.
No. Rain run.
Andy, run, bro. He's coming to white, bro.
Stop lying.
Easy, let's go.
Rain, let's just stay at roof.
Let's go. Oh my god.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, bruh. Shoot, 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 shoot. I hear you guys.
Hear me.
Wow, Andy. Make your move. Come on, make your move.
No.
Bro is dead.
I just slipped, bruh. I slipped. I can't believe I'm saying that. I slipped, bruh.
Yup, he's dead.
In the chat for Darell, y'all.
Oh no!
Oh my god, please don't tell me you're hit. Not a 1v1 against Kyle, please.
Nah, he's not hit.
No, not again.
He's good.
Thank you, Kyle, for opening this door.
Yeah, man. Whatever you say.
Damn, the beast helped the survivor. Jeez.
Come on, wall hop. Come on. All right, whatever.
It's already obvious he's gonna get us, bro.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Cause why? Who has escaped Kyle? Nobody escapes Kyle, dude.
It's not true.
Yeah, bro. He's going beast mode right now, bro.
I have a
Face.
beast mode
Just
face,
took it
bruh.
off.
Who was that? Who was that?
Oh, what?
Someone's
What
on
did you
roof.
say?
Someone's on roof.
Roof what?
Garage.
Hmm.
I think I just made Kyle hear random footsteps on the roof.
Nah, you was on the roof.
How did you know that though?
Cause
That's why I was timing it.
nah. Sup, Rain?
What's that, Kyle? Kyle.
Jump
Kyle.
off.
Kyle's not.
How did you do
Kyle's
that so
taking it.
fast?
Kyle. Kyle.
Soccer sir!
Fucker's joined.
Yo, he's at 1,899. What is that?
Whoa. Inspirational stuff, dude.
For real.
When Kyle's about to hit level 1K, Stalker's gonna hit like literally.
Oh, frick, bro.
1,900.
Freak. No! Let me. No! What was.
Let's go. Let's go.
That's
Nice. Let's go,
unfair.
Kyle. That's Garage. Come here.
Nah, frick that. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing.
Garage. Oh, Kyle. Come here. You're at bar. Come here, please.
Stop
Come
snitching!
here.
You're not fair.
Chill out.
Yeah,
Chill out.
chill, bro. Chill,
My bad.
bro.
Bro, where's the...
What's up, Andy? Andy?
How do you know?
Andy.
What?
Where are you? Of all the places I checked, you're not hacking any of them. You're hiding, bruh. You're probably on garage roof again, bruh. Nah, you're the one who's helping Rain. Nah, a low IQ, bruh.
What do you mean?
Nah, you know what I mean.
What do you mean?
Don't sell. Yes!
No, your ear hit! Your ear hit!
Yes, sir.
Too bad for you, Kyle. You're gonna lose.
Oh, that's funny. You want to rage quit right now? Because I don't care.
Nah, I'm not rage quitting, bro.
What's up, Rain?
What?
Ha
Oh no, we didn't win.
Oh my god, Kyle, chill.
Oh,
Nice, Kyle, what's good?
you saw that? All right, yeah.
I'm already dead.
I put him in back room for a reason. Back white, bruh. All right. I forgot where the PCs are. Well, I know where the PCs are, but I gotta recheck. Okay, there's one there.
Oh, I leveled up.
Recheck.
There's one here.
Let's
Okay.
go, Rain. Let's go.
Why are you cheering Rain on? That's not fair. You should be on my side. I'm the one who's hitting 1K.
Okay. Oh, yay, Kyle. Yay, Kyle.
No, that's fake cheers. Come on.
Okay. Yay, Kyle.
Ah, you. Oh, come on, Rain.
Let's go, Kyle.
Alright, bro. Rain. I mean, chill, bro. Chill. You can actually, like, calm down, bruh. Bro, Rain, who helped you hack these PCs, bro?
I did.
Why? Oh my gosh. I sold, bruh. I sold so hard. Yo!
Yes, sir!
Bro, Rain.
Oh, you up here.
Oh my god, nah.
Now I'm not letting you go.
No.
No.
I can just let you kill me. I can just let you kill me.
Okay, then do it. Do it. Jump off right now.
Did I?
Bruh,
Did I?
I
No,
won't
no,
get
no,
your
no,
XP.
no,
I won't
Kyle,
level
Kyle,
up.
It's good. Nah,
No, cause I have 3,500. Wait,
Yeah, 500 more. And that's only like, wait, what's the bonus XP? Wait, never mind.
wait, I will level up. Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm literally 1,000 right now.
Okay, Kyle.
What's good, man? You can't do it. You did it. Oh my gosh.
One eternity later.
Rain, I think you have to give up. You have to give up on this one, bro. He's a good tracker.
Thank you, Andy.
Oh,
I know, right?
I know he is a good tracker, dude.
Help, bro.
So good.
Oh my god.
Huh?
Oh yes, let's go. We won.
Yo, what is that? Nah, that's disrespectful. That's how? Yo, what is that? Nah, what is that? That's so, nah. That's so embarrassing, bruh.
Still.
Bruh, Andy, you threw me off, bruh. Yo, let's go, bruh. Alright. Level 1K, bruh.
I played Fleet in like 2017. Okay.
You're a tryhard then.
Why are you saying let's go? Because you hit level 1K?
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thanks, bro. Even though it wasn't the way I wanted it.
Soccer spawn in brick.
Brick? Oh, that's great, because I'm hacking blue.
Oh yeah. I think he's gonna check.
No, why did you leave?
It's just me and you.
Bruh, nah. Alright. This is the moment I've been waiting for too, bruh. I hit 1,000.
What if you hit what if you hit like two like things that you would never have done before? Have you ever escaped soccer?
No, I came so close, bro. I've never escaped them though.
Just hack it. I just want to win. Oh, man.
I mean, I've gotten exits open on him, and I carried that round.
I'm carrying you, bro. I put a backpack on my back, and then as soon as I put it on, you hopped in because you wanted to get carried.
But I've never escaped soccer.
2 seconds later.
Kyle, are you gonna still like grind fast when you're level 1K?
Alright, I'm hit, bro. I'm hit. I can't do it! Yo, bro, I can't. Oh my gosh, bro. Nah, soccer, bro. Soccer, bro.
Bro.
Chill, bro.
Oh.
Mercy. Bro, we have... Bro, if you find a way to save me, bro, then we have a chance to win, bro. Andy.
Huh? Oh yeah?
Andy.
What? I got you.
Yes, sir. You're clutch. You're goated. Oh, I'm risking. Oh. Yes, sir, I'm gone.
No.
Oh, no. Bro, you said soccer spawned in brick. So if he didn't...
I know he did. He just ran zooming.
Yo, guess what?
It's broken. Oh, dude, I escaped blue with no doors open.
Same, bro. Let's go. All right. We can win this. I already tapped one of the blues. Wait,
No,
so...
I was hacking lab until you got caught. I'll go in gray maze, I guess.
Bro, there's not... Wait, there's one in... Wait, is there one in maze?
No.
Okay, it's lab, theater, double blue, and conference, bro.
Bro, we got bad PC spots. The PC spots are like kind of all together.
Just go for lab, and make sure when you go for... You don't forget it, bro.
What do you mean?
I said forget it. That's what I mean, bro.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
Congrats, Kyle.
There's my congratulations from everyone here. Okay. Okay. No.
He's just going back and forth, huh? Okay.
I know.
You're not gonna
Bruh. I sold, bruh. I sold us. Now it's just me. Oh my gosh, bruh.
Yo, soccer's gonna get you though.
Dude, I want to. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot.
You know that Karen got half of the levels.
Spam X, spam X. Yes, sir. Why did I say spam X when I meant spam E? Yo, fight out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, Karen got half of her levels by doing FWs.
Free wins? Oh, well, that's a shame.
Yeah, cause Jake did that too to get level 1K.
Oh, soccer,
Or
bro.
something. Yeah, Karen and Jake, like, yeah, they couldn't win.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Soccer, bro. Soccer, bro. Chill, bruh. Chill out.
But like, you acted like
Is he
you
going
didn't have
around?
any school that time. 'Cause
Yeah,
it
he
was,
went
like,
around.
September that time.
I think he used runner, though.
Yeah, I think he did too. I don't know if he did or not.
Okay. We're just closing his doors right now. I'm about to trap myself, bruh. Okay. Okay. I'm about to sell hard. Is he following me? He's following me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Like a light. Out like a light. I don't know where to go. What is that? Bro, bro, he scared me so much, bruh. Bruh. Ah, GG's, bruh. My man, soccer. Bro. GG, bruh.